This is like the third time that I record this video. I'm gonna keep it short. I transferred my Samsung T5 1TB drive to this Lunchbox. So my Samsung is in here now, and they call this the Lunchbox. What this does is it allows you to connect your hard drive, your SSD, to the Ninja V. Transferring everything was really simple for me. If you have the right tools and you follow a nice tutorial like the one I'm gonna drop down below, it's not me, it's somebody else that I followed their tutorial and I just thought it was amazing, so I wanted to share it with you. You can really get this done in about 30 minutes. Don't rush it because you're dealing with very sensitive parts, so you want to make sure you do everything right and put all the screws where they belong. I'm so excited to not using SD cards anymore. So if you're thinking about it, just go ahead and try it. I think you're gonna be all right. I went to Micro Center. It's a store, local store here. I think they have some more stores across the country. I'm not sure, but I went and they got me this hard drive adapter, so I should be able to connect my SATA drive now to this adapter so I can unload the information. What everybody raves about is that when you're working ProRes, you can have faster speed on your computer. It reads it better, so I'm really gonna test that out with this. I'm just gonna try to edit directly from the hard drive. We'll see what happens. I'm not really a YouTuber per se. I am a filmmaker slash photographer. I work with Red Mango Films and Priceless Memories, so I shoot music videos and I shoot weddings as well. So I am completely down to earth, and I try to keep these things very short and simple because this is just me giving my opinion on regards to a product. This is not a tutorial at all, so sorry if you expected a tutorial. All right, keep on creating, everyone.